Hello from Slovenia again. I already poured my black background for a reverse flower dip today. Cup bottom reverse flower dip. This is the flower shaped cup, and I will use some sterling silver first, and this one is maybe a little thick, and permanent red violet, and of course, as usual, I will put all the colors into the description box, and I will go with pearl white, and this is kind of graffiti color, really dark silver. And I have Quinquedone rose, and let's go. Maybe I just have to add a little water to this silver. Just a second. I just sprayed a few drops in here because maybe it is a little thick, but I want to have this one thick because otherwise it tends to just take over of other colors, and you don't have much to look at. So, and permanent blue violet, red violet, sorry, and pearl white, and this. Let's add pink next. It's Quinquedone rose, and this graffiti color on top. And I will turn this around. And I will draw some petals, and I will try to grab a little of this dark graffiti color to the sides, towards the sides, I have to say. Okay, and let's go with this silver again. And permanent red violet. I don't know why I'm all in this pinkish kind of shades lately. And pearl white. And this pink. And I will add one more layer of this silver here, and a little bit of this graffiti color. Okay. And let's wait, and while I'm waiting to paint flow off, I will spray my paper napkin with water. Okay. You can see already some cell reaction going on here, so let's grab this and try to do kind of a petal shade. And other things I will just leave like it is, and I will just grab my napkin and do a reverse flower dip. So I will put down 1/2 first. And the other half. Let's just gently give this a magic touch. Just gently touching my napkin to make sure that everything is touching the paint, every part of my napkin. So, and now I will lift my corners, first 4 and the other 4. Try to do this carefully because it does make a difference if you are careful and with this part, because you want a nice shape of a flower. And I get a nice shape, I think. Just touching the middle a little bit. And I will just give it a little spin. Okay, so let's torch this. And see. And I think I'm done. So let me take you for a close-up. I have to say that I like it. I like these colors together. and I like this graffiti kind of color here. So I am happy with this one. I think that it will be a nice looking flower painting when it will be dry. See, I did get this lacing from silver and pearl white. So I think that it, sorry for glare, it turned out nice. So tell me what you think about this one, and like, share, subscribe if you want to leave a comment, and see you on the next one. Bye.